In today's video, we'll be checking out the top 5 best dash cams you can buy in 2021. I made this list based on buyer suggestions and opinions and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features and durability. Well, whether you're looking for a great value dash cam or would like to have the ultimate knowledge of the key benefits of these dash cams, we will provide the details for you. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and our viewers can make the best decisions when buying the products. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets in the market and help you purchase the right decisions based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video will be shown in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date on information and content, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Number 5. The Crosstour 1080p Dash Camera. This is no doubt one of the top-rated dash cams available to buyers who want to enjoy ultimate cam recording driving adventures. The Crosstour 1080p Dash Cam is a Cars 3 LCD screen car camera with a 170-degree wide-angle DVR recorder. It also comes with G sensor, loop recording and motion detector features. Small yet powerful, this dash cam comes in a compact 85mm by 50mm by 10mm dimension. Its mini-size design makes it possible for you to hide the dash cam behind the sun visor. Its black design and compact appearance make it almost invisible to spot from the outside. More than these, the Crosstour 1080p Dash Cam is also available to detect sudden movement from the car when in use. It also locks files away automatically in case an event triggered the sensor. Now, let's talk about its awesome visual resolution. The Crosstour 1080p Dash Cam has a 3-inch large LCD screen car recorder that combines with a 1080p Full HD and 12MP resolution. Its super large screen shows the real-time image. This would help you to clearly see every detail when playing back and bringing better visual experiences. This dash cam is built with a 170-degree wide-angle cam. With its 170-degree wide-angle lens, it becomes way easier to allow a larger viewing angle to be recorded. For example, you will be able to see 4 lanes of traffic. The more you see, the safer you are. 6 glass-fix focus provides better light transmission, thus recording crystal clear video. It also comes with the G sensor feature. With the built-in G sensor, this dash cam can automatically detect a sudden shake collision and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten even in loop recording. Accident scenes can be truly restored. The big aperture and WDR technology has changed the story of nighttime driving cam recording for many people. Combined with big aperture and wide dynamic range, you get clearer cut footage and image even at night. Car license plates can be easily seen in low light conditions. The safety of driving at night will be improved a lot. In summary, it's pretty easy to use and comes with a lot of really cool features that can improve dashcam recording for every driver. It has a loop recording, motion detection, easy on and off, license plate stamp, timestamp, auto power off, screensaver, burst photo. All of these functions basically cover what you need for daily driving. This is no doubt one of the best options for you out there. Number 4. The Oakley Dash Cam FHD. Oakley is a well-known brand, so we expect nothing less than awesome from them. The Dash Cam FHD meets and surpasses expectations. The Oakley Dash Cam FHD Dash Cam is a 1080p car camera with super capacitor and a 170-degree 6-lane wide-angle lens dashboard camera recorder. It also features a G sensor technology, WRD and motion detection system. There are so many cool features about this dashcam. Its 1080p resolution is 1. The Sony Exmor sensor captures everything in super sharp full 1080p resolution with super wide 170-degree field of view. It also maintains the same strong performance even in low light conditions for nighttime driving. Introducing the use of supercapacitor, this dashcam is able to maintain high performance even in extreme temperature of operation. With the use of a supercapacitor, this camera is able to display greater heat and cold endurance. It can perform excellently between -30°C to 75°C or -22°F to 167°F. This gives it a longer lifetime than standard battery technology. One notable feature of this camera is its emergency recording and loop recording system. So this camera is able to automatically capture unexpected driving incidents and still protect the recordings. In case of any emergencies or accidents, the incident gets recorded and saved automatically. Its loop recording allows continuous use by writing over old, unneeded footage. Its motion detection system is another amazing feature. With a built-in G sensor, the dash camera can automatically detect a sudden shake or collision, automatically captures unexpected driving incidents, activated by sharp turns or sudden stops. You can keep your camera rolling by connecting it to a hardware kit or the Oakley PM-YY to maintain the power supply to your dash cam even when the car ignition is switched off. This camera is very easy to use and simple to install. All you need is the 3M sticker mount and a few cable clips and you're good to go. It's also quite compact, so it can easily fit discreetly behind your rear view mirror. Yet this dash cam also supports GPS, as long as it's connected to the Oakley GM32 GPS antenna. This will enable you to embed location and speed data for trip tracking and greater protection. The Oakley Dash Cam FHD package comes with the Oakley dashboard camera, a dual-port USB charger, a 4-meter-long USB Mini-B power cable, a sticker mount, 2 3M stickers, 6 cable clips and the user manual. The product also comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee and 24-month product replacement warranty if you don't find it satisfactory. Number 3. Crosstour Joe Dash Cam. Get the ultimate dash cam experience with front and rear dual cameras for your automobile. The Crosstour Dash Cam supports up to 128GB worth of recording with optional GPS. It also features a 3-inch IPS screen, driving recorder with IR sensor night vision, motion detection as well as parking monitor. Get twice the vision and twice the protection with 1080p and 170-degree wide-angle dual camera at the front and rear. With the CR900, you can record superb pictures and video any time of the day, even in low light situations. This dash cam uses the top Novatech chip and advanced sensor to provide superior image and videos. Want to track your journey? Easy as pie. With the optional GPS interface, CR900 can record your driving route, speed and location coordinates with a GPS antenna attached. It also comes with a seamless loop recording feature that allows you to store new videos over older ones. With its large 128GB memory card, you can enjoy efficient storage management without having to format the card frequently. The oldest files will be overwritten by the newest ones to make room for the new recordings when the SD card approaches its maximum capacity. With the built-in G sensor, the camera can easily detect crashes and collisions with the Auto Incident Detection driving recorder feature. Upon impact, the dash cam will automatically lock the current recording as a proof of an incident. The accident file will be locked and not be overwritten by a loop recording. Get a full round-the-year warranty and 24-hour post-sale customer support for any issues and questions. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 55. This dash cam has an insanely efficient visual resolution, even better than all other dash cams that we've discussed on this list. The Garmin Dash Cam 55 is a 1440p 2-inch LCD screen with GPS. The dash camera also supports voice control, loop recording, G-sensor and driver alerts, as well as a memory card. This extremely small GPS-enabled dashcam can be inconspicuous when magnetically mounted on the windshield. It has an ultra-high quality of 3.7 megapixel camera and 1440p video capture. It works even in low light conditions and for night driving. It supports forward collision alert and lane departure warnings, plus alerts for nearby red cameras and speedy cameras. Super efficient. Using the voice control feature, you can start and stop recordings, take a still picture, or start and stop travel apis photo capturing. Amazing, right? Number 1. Vantrue N2 Pro 𝐵𝐺𝐸 1080p Dashcam. Sitting on top of our best dashcam to buy in 2021 is the Vantrue N2 Pro 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐸 1080p Dashcam. These cams come with a lot of amazing features that make it easy to pick for the top of the table. For starters, this 2.5K 1440p dashcam features infrared night vision light for night driving and low light recording. It also comes with 24-hour motion detection system, parking support mode, G-sensor and support for up to 250GB. That is impressive. This dual dashcam records the interior and front of the car. The front camera has a 1440p resolution, while the interior has a 1080p resolution. This dashcam design was based on the powerful Novatec NT96660 CPU. The advanced Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor for the inside of the camera and the OV4689 for the front camera sensor. One very fascinating thing about this dashcam is how the front and inside cameras work simultaneously to capture the road. The front can cover about 170 degrees, while the inside passenger can cover up to 140 degrees in details at dual 920 by 1080p 30 frames per second. Driving at night? No problem. With the advanced Sony IMX323 sensor, 4 infrared LED lights and an f2.0 aperture, the dashcam can effectively handle low light conditions and ensure flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. It also features a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode. The dual car camera automatically records when it detects motion. Auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD off timer ensures you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. The Vantrue N2 Pro 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐸 Dashcam can work efficiently in different climates within -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius. It also comes with an excellent audio recording with built-in microphone for voice control. Just like other dashcams, this cam also features the loop recording system, which automatically overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling up the card to capacity. With the built-in G-sensor, the dashcam can auto-detect sudden shake, collision and accidents. Once this occurs, it automatically locks the footage to prevent that video from being overwritten. Get full 18-month warranty for the Vantrue Dual Dash Cam. This dual dash cam is perfect for Uber, taxis, rideshare, Lyft drivers, commuters and families. Are we missing any other cool dash cams? Share with us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.